dumpster rental service in San Antonio, Texas. Be Done Dumpsters is the smart choice for your next roll-off dumpsters in San Antonio, Texas. Homeowners, businesses, and contractors trust, no matter the scale or scope of your upcoming waste disposal project. We guarantee to have the container that will suit your project, timeframe, and goals with our budget dumpster San Antonio prices. As a local company, we give our customers excellent customer service and care 100% of the time. We're invested in the community and strive to be the top choice in local dumpster services San Antonio, Texas depends on for various waste removal needs. Our thousands of happy, satisfied customers will attest to the fact that we are the #1 dumpster company in San Antonio, and we are here to serve your dumpster rental San Antonio, Texas needs. Proudly serving the greater San Antonio area, our knowledgeable team has experience in dumpsters for rent San Antonio uses year-round, and our friendly representatives are ready to take your call today. Dumpster rentals are easy and stress-free with the team at Be Done Dumpsters. All you need to do is give us a call at 210-834-1716 to tell us about your cleanup project and the materials you need us to haul away. Our friendly staff will answer your questions and offer you an affordable quote.